You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Pikitalk task on the Ariwallet platform. Now, when you come to the section of the tasks, you go over to where we have the collapse. The last video I dropped here, I said that I'm going to create a separate video for the Pikitalk task, and that is what I'm doing in this video. That's what I'm going to show you so that you watch and then you complete your own task in order to get your 300 REG. Okay, that is what all participants will be given. So now there is something that you need to do here. You have to go to Play Store to download the Pikitalk app. So in Play Store, this is how it looks. Okay, so you just type Pikitalk and it will search. So you click on the download button to download it, and then you go ahead and install the app. So once you install the app, you open it, then you move over to where we have the sign up. You click on the sign up in order to sign up for this app. Then you click on the agree all button, which is this, in order to agree with the terms and conditions. Then you go ahead and hit on the next button. So here you are going to input your phone number. All right, once you input your phone number, you click on verification number request. So you click on that button. So I'll go ahead now and input my phone number. Then once I do that, I'll be given this captcha to complete. Okay, so you take a look here and see what is given to you. Then you input it in the text box. Okay, so I'll go ahead and complete this FD. Then I'll click on the confirm button. So you give it some seconds. All right, now here it requests that I sign up with my email address. Now it is important here, whatever email that you are using, you make sure that it is the same email address which you used for your Arichain or your Ariwallet sign up. That is the email address you registered with the Ariwallet. So I'll go ahead here and input my email address, and here I'm going to set up a password. Now, while setting the password, you should ensure that it is such that the number should be between 8 to 24 characters. Okay, there should be a letter, there should be a number, and also there should be a special character. So once you are done with this, you hit on the next button. So if you input your email address, you are going to hit on this confirm button. So I'll go ahead and hit on the confirm button now. So it says the email is already registered because I have signed up with it. So once you are done signing up, then you log in, and this is the login page. You accept the terms and the conditions, then you hit on the next button for the identity verification. You go ahead and input your number again, then click on verify number request. Then you type in the captcha and you hit on the confirm button. So on the profile setting here you are going to input your name. Then you are going to maybe just type a random status message, just anything. Okay, then you click on, once you are set, you click on the done button. Then you give it some seconds to load. Now here it says your registration is complete. All right, now a master key has been given to me. It is just like the passcode to this app. So I'll go ahead and hit on the copy button, then I will save it, after which you come back and you click on the confirm button. So once you're done, you go back. This is how the page will look like. Okay, just take a look. You see your username, you can set your profile picture. So you go back to the app, the Ariwallet, then you click on this refresh button, which is this very one. You click on it and give it some seconds. All right, okay, now you see the 1,250 that I used to have has increased to 1,550. So this is actually how to complete this task. Okay, now as you can see here, it says here done. Now there is something I want to point out here. If you try to sign up using the same details that you register in your Ariwallet, that is your email address, now it is going to, in some cases, it will tell you that the email that you have input has already been registered. Now, if that occurs, what you need to do is you now sign in instead of signing up. Okay, it means that you have already captured the information from the Ariwallet end. You understand? So you make sure that you save all those informations because they may be needed in the future. So guys, this is how to complete the Pikitalk task on the Ariwallet. If you have not started mining the Delta coin, you do well to start mining this project. This is a very strong, wonderful, and a very promising project that has a strong backing from the Internet Computer Protocol. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. You click on the link, you download the app, then you sign up with the referral code that you see on this screen. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that once I drop updates in this channel, you get notified. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video.